Hey there, YouTube. Um, so a while back, the closet door in my bedroom broke where the strike plate with the ball mechanism broke at the top. And so you can't close it now because there's no spring mechanism to keep it in place. So I decided over the weekend to buy new ones. And so I bought these Homotek ball kind of strike plate replacements. I'll show you what it involves, but there's two pairs that come with it. I'll open this one. Sorry, it's got a little sealed package. But essentially it comes with the plate with some screws. Okay, that I personally don't need because that's already in place. But then also this ball mechanism. How this works is essentially this ball strikes the plate and pushes down, and then it pops right back up. So it pushes against the top here and keeps it secure. On our old one, this ball mechanism broke so that the ball popped out, so it could never stay down entirely. So what I'm going to do is replace this on the closet so that it obviously gets fixed. What I suspect will happen is I'll just have to pull this part out from the current door and then place this in and slide it in, and it should be able to fix immediately. So I'll show you how I'm going to fix it, and hopefully it works. Okay, so this is on the one that still works. So it presses down like that, and then there's a strike plate that goes right in there, and that's how it works. And so when the door closes, it just sits in and stays. Versus on this side, because the ball's not there, if you press in, there's no mechanism there. And so what I'm going to do is a pair of pliers, essentially just pull this out. Sorry. One sec. There you go. So that's what it looks like. Okay. We can throw that out. And then this is the new one. Just pop it right into this place, as long as it fits. And it doesn't fit, so I'll have to get a mallet. So, mallet. There you go. So now it sits right in. And it's working. Well, just pull up. And that's how you fix it. So, hope that helps.